Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World and we've made it over Hump Day, we are all good. We're almost to the weekend. Today we're here to announce the winners of the PW watch face for PW51 Gear Sport and PW57 Gear Sport. And with that, let's go ahead, let's kick this off really quick. Now the winner of PW51 is going to be Jackie. Jackie, you know who you are. Congratulations. Steve Jordan, you are a winner again from Canada, congratulations. And for PW57, it's going to be OZ Bell. Congratulations to all you all. Thank you for your commitment. Thank you for your loyalty. Thank you for the support of the channel. And with that, we do have a watch face review to kick off. So let's go ahead. Let's get it started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got another giveaway. This one here is for PW55. Now PW is still doing his thing. Cool. Let's check this watch face out right now. In always on mode, you're pretty much going to be able to get everything that's important to see at a glance, your digital time, your step status info. When the watch face is on, it has a nice look. I'm liking the layout. Now up at the top, you're going to get your step status info. That means your steps. You're going to get your miles walked or ran, heart rate, calories burned, things that are important to most people. You come down to the left, you're going to get your battery info. You go all the way to the right, you're going to get your info on goal completed so far as your steps are concerned. And dead center, you get the day of the week, which is always cool to have. It's going to be highlighted in a bluish green type of color to let you know exactly what day of the week it is. And if you come down right up under that, I really like the look of this font, and I like the size. It's very legible so far as the time is concerned. Right up under that, of course, your day, your date, which is most important, the year. And up under that, I love the shortcuts, and he gives us the weather. He gives us a schedule. I can go in and check my calendar. And if I want to, my music, which is one of my favorite things on a smartwatch today. And if I come down, I can either send a text message that's right to the left. And if I go to the right, I can go into my contacts and see who I want to make a phone call to. And dead center, if I just need to simply go in and make a phone call, I just simply tap right here and I'm in. Okay, now, if I double tap on the time, I can customize the color to whatever color I want. He gives us many colors to choose from. Just double tap and till you get to the watch face color you like, and you're all good once you find the one you enjoy. All right, you all, this is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment for an opportunity to win a free watch face by PW. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I will see you all at the next video, so take care.